विश्व आदिवासी दिवस के अवसर पर माननीय विधायक बिशुनपुर श्री चमरालिंडा के नेतृत्व में जय सरना लोरकुड़िया परिवार के द्वारा बिल्कुल ही अलग तरीके से बिल्कुल ही अलग अंदाज में कार्यक्रम किया गया। इस अवसर पर बिशुनपुर विधानसभा क्षेत्र के विभिन्न लोरकुड़िया के छात्र छात्राएं ने हिस्सा लिया। श्री चमरालिंडा ने बिशुनपुर विधानसभा से लगातार 3 बार विधायक रह चुके हैं और अपने कार्यकाल में एक नहीं दो नहीं पूरे 18 स्कूल का निर्माण किए हैं, पूरे 18 स्कूल तैयार किए हैं, पूरे 18 स्कूल बनाए हैं। जो स्कूल को उरांव भाषा में नामकरण किया गया है, उरांव भाषा में इनका नाम दिया गया है जय सरना लोरकुड़िया। यहाँ ज़्यादातर वैसे गरीब आदिवासी के बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं जो हमेशा मजदूरी करते हैं या अपने भरण पोषण के लिए परदेश जाते हैं या ईंट भट्ठे जाते हैं। यहाँ के शिक्षा प्रणाली इतना बेहतर है कि यहाँ के बच्चे आने वाले समय में निश्चिंत ही देश के सर्वोच्च मुकाम तक पहुँचेंगे। इनके स्पीच के माध्यम से दिखाता हूँ इन बच्चों का टैलेंट। इनके माता पिता ने अपने भरण पोषण के लिए हमेशा परदेश या ईंट भाटा जाया करते हैं।
Respected our honorable chief guest, the MLA of the Bisunpur Vidhan Sabha, Mr. Chamralinda and Lalita Linda, all the jury members, all the principals come from the other schools, and all my dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to say Happy Tribal Day to all of you. As we all know, today we will come here to celebrate the Indian Tribal Day of the world's indigenous people. Today I am going to tell you something about global warming. Global warming is a dangerous effect in our environment that we are facing these days. Global warming gradually rises in the temperature of the earth. Global warming causes by the melting of glacier ice in the sea level and rises in the sea level. Global warming is the extreme climate change, and the results are flood, drought, landsliding and other natural calamities. The main reason behind the global warming is the greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, nitrogen, chlorofluorocarbons, methane and other natural gases. These greenhouse gases enter directly in the sunlight into the atmosphere with the parabendy rays. As the human population increased, so that the fossil fuels burned. Due to rising the temperature, deforestation, mining, cattle rearing and etc. Our tribal ancestors had already connected to the nature. They said that nature is our life and we had to protect it. The motto of our tribal ancestors is to save and protect the nature and also protect our life. Because when we protect the nature, we are saving our life. The tribal identity lies with water, forest and land called जल, जंगल and जमीन. हम आदिवासी भारत की जमीन पर नहीं, हम आदिवासी भारत की जमीन पर नहीं, भारत हम आदिवासियों की जमीन पर रहता है. Thank you. जय भारत, जय भारत. And my dear brothers and sisters, today we are celebrating World Indigenous People Day. Today I want to talk to you about something that affect us, global warming. It's a topic that might sound complex, but really what is global warming? Global warming refers to the gradual increase in the Earth's average temperature. This warming is mainly caused by human activities. Think of it like this. Earth has a natural blanket around it called the atmosphere, which keeps our planet which keep our planet protect through our life. How do we contribute? Our daily actions contribute to global warming in several ways. First, burning fossil fuels, cars, planes, and power plants. And second, deforestation. Cutting down trees reduces the number of plants that can absorb these gases. Waste. When trash decomposes in landfills, it releases gases. Before ending my speech, I would say that Jai Jharkhand, Jai Adivasi, and once again, Happy World Tribal Day. Thank you.
Welcome our chief guest, Sri Chamalinda sir and Lalita Linda madam, respected dignitaries, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ravindra Rao. I am attending 6th standard in Jaisarna Lurkuda Bitpi Bhandra School. Today I am here to give a speech on Anvankari topic. Tribal livelihood was based on land, water, and forest. Our culture, identity, family structure, value system, traditions are associated with the teaching of Sarnama. Her expressions and thoughts are ingrained in each one of our tribal presence. When British confronted it with our way of livelihood, they took our land, water, and forest and started atrocities. Bir Bhagat led Lagna rebellion. Chatra Bhagat led civil disobedience movement, also known as Tana Bhagat movement, and Birsa Munda, who all fought bravely for justice and sacrificed their lives. Singidai and Chambudai, who fought for the tribal right, and Zingidai and Chambudai, who fought for the against the mischief and atrocities. Kartik Rao, who fought for the tribal right, land right, and he thought education was means to our in so he established educational institutions. These are the great people who sacrificed their life for our business tribe. All of you on the World Tribal Day, I respected honorable chief guest, MLA of Bisopur, Sri Chamalinda, Welfare Trust Secretary, Sri Lalita Linda, and Jatru Rao, and principal and teacher who come from different schools, our special parents, and all my brothers and sisters. Good afternoon. Myself Rakesh Rao. I study at Jaisarna Lurkuda, Doradi Gumla. Today I share you some topic of discuss education must years brave of revolutionary tribal community. Many heroes of the freedom spread of western region, Ranchi, Simbo, Mazaribagh, and Plamo Banbom. This ever before his freedom struggle, 1857, Buddha Bhagat was the sounded trumpet, independence of the Hokkaido. The late of Coal Rebellion, 1832, to take the British. This movement of the Munda monkeys, Tamar Bangaon, become movement of the people of Chotanagpur region. Thank you. Jai Jawahar.
Today I am going to deliver a speech on our great tribal freedom fighter. We all know that freedom fighters are the people who fight against the British to free our country for them. They are always struggle from national interest. It is due to blood and sweat of freedom fighters that we India are currently enjoying freedom in our nation. Without freedom fighters, it would have been impossible to India get independence. The leaders like Birsa Munda, Bir Buddha Bhagat, Jatra Tana Bhagat, Singidai, and many more who never accept British rule on India. Birsa Munda, along with another permanent leader, launched non-cooperation India, compelled British to leave this country. Many freedom fighters laid their down and sovereignties of country. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their today from our better tomorrow. We come together and not let communal hatred divide us. We must not stand against each other. We should always try to live peace and that make our nation successful and prospering. To ending my speech, I would like to say to that, Jai Adivasi, Jai Jharkhand. Thank you.
Respected our chief guest, principals, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sanima Tirki and
A constitution is required for the smooth running of any country. The constitution is an important document of laws.
The Constitutional Assembly. In 1938, the first session of the Constitutional Assembly was held on 9 December 1946. The Constitutional Assembly was formally commenced in task of forming the Constitution of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru will move to executive review session.
Before ending my speech, I would say that Jai Jharkhand, Jai Adivasi, and once again, Happy World Tribal Day. Thank you.
Today we are gathered here to celebrate World Tribal Day. On this special occasion, I deliver the speech on the topic of United Nations. As you all know, the United Nations is an international organization. Today we are celebrated World Tribal Day. My topic is United Nations. The United Nations is diplomatic and political intergovernmental self-regulatory body with the intent purpose of maintaining international peace.
Today is 9th August. We are celebrating World Indigenous Day, one of the most important day in the world.
Today we are gathered here to celebrate World Tribal Day. So, I am going to speak some things about the universe. In Christianity, time is captured to life as a movement. According to creation, beginning and end. This is the creation of an omnipresent, omniscient God. According to Hindus, creation of an omniscient subjects of an God. According to scientists, the universe was created with an omnipresent explosion which they call Big Bang. Due to this, the universe is still expanding. Apart from this, various philosophers are seen as trying to answer this question at the personal level. In the 10th century, the Indian philosopher Udyan says to his book Nayakasi Manjila that just as all the things in the world depend on some other intelligent beings for their creation and development, in the same way, the earth is also like an object whose creation and development is dependent on omniscient beings and depend on some others almighty power in the power of God. 2 centuries later, the Christian thinkers Sant Aquinas also present the almost of the exchange with some changes. According to Masya Purna, the universe of the creation of the result at the of Burma interning of the golden worms. These worms have been turned as Hiranyagarbha, when as Sakya philosophy tried to solve the mastery of the creation of the universe on the basis of the two internal elements called Purusha and Prakriti. According to Sakya philosophy, mind is a pure conscious form and Prakriti is an unconscious element consisting of the three elements called Purusha and terms Raj and Sattva. Before the origin of universe. Before ending, I would like to say Jai World, Jai Adivasi, thank you.
Today we are celebrated World Tribal Day.
Good afternoon to all. Welcome our chief guest, Sri Chamralinda and Sri Chamralinda sir and Lalita Linda madam, respected dignitaries, parents, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Yav Rao. I am standing 5th standard in Jaisalmer Ludkudia Pitpi Bhandra School. Today I am going to give a speech on tribal traditions topic. Our Jharkhand tribal marriage custom, traditions, culture were so unique with rest of other tribes in India and world. However, the traditions, culture were seeing little changes, but still practice example is formation of our Jharkhand state. In our touch, women empowerment is state where they are given ample opportunities, respected and treated. Then in a dignified. It reflect in our constitution and this world society. We protect land, water and forest and stay continuing it because of the tribes in Jharkhand, in India and the world. Today the world is happy to breathe fresh air. Indigenous tribes protect environment and Mother Nature. The government had made laws in India and the world. We are still following our inheritance and the world had recognized the importance of our indigenous tribes. Today we are celebrating Indigenous Tribal Day in Jharkhand, in India and the world. Indigenous tribes across the world. Thank you for giving me opportunities. Wish you a happy Indigenous Tribal Day. Thank you.
I said topic what is the world India Jharkhand tradition system of tribal society or community that is dignity group with their own unique culture, custom and tradition. This society have their own organization and continue to be as part of the world, including India. A tribal society is a group of tribes organized around kinship. Tribe represent a part in social relations. Tribe can be collection of family that individual people living together. Tribe usually divide up the job to them among themselves. Festival of tribal community in Jharkhand. Celebrated by the Uramunda and Ho. This festival dedicated to Sautri. Karma is another significant festival celebrated to various tribal, including the Uramunda Santal and Sorai, celebrated primarily by the Santal is a harvest festival that consumed with dually celebrated in other part of India. The traditional religion of the Uram.
Our chief guest, Sri Chamralinda sir and Lalita Linda madam, respected dignitaries, parents, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Dharampal Uram. I am studying 4th standard in Jai Sarna Lurkudia Bitpi Bandra School. Today I am here to give speech on history of tribes in Jharkhand, India and the world. We belong to Kudung tribes. We are practically local and practically national, but divided into many clans. Clans names are taken from plants, animals and objects.
Today we are celebrating World Indigenous People Day. Today I talk about the vibrant cultural tradition.
A warm good morning, all of you on Gostiad, on Jai Sarna Lurkudia, Kandra, respected our Honorable Chief Guest, MLA of Bisampur, Sri Chamralinda, and Secretary of Indigenous People, Sri Lalita Linda, a community member and judge, all Jai Sarna Lurkudia, principal, teacher, parents, brother and sister, a hearty welcome to all of you on a special day, now as World Tribal Day. I would like to tell you about what India Jharkhand history and culture social system. In history, it was the European colonies that radically transformed the history and culture of the tribal community. Tribe indicates approaching Ankara, exploratory Hindu. A tribe is a group of people who live and work together in a shared geographical area. A tribe has a common village culture, dialect and religion. They also have a strong sense of the unity. The tribe is led by a chief. The tribal society is group of tribes organized around kingship. Salary is the presence of God. Thank you. Jai Johar. Jai Adivasi. Respected our honorable chief guest, MLA of Bisampur, Sri Chamra Linda and Lalita Linda, community member and Jasets, all Jasarna Ludkuria, member, principal, teacher, student and parent, a hearty welcome to all of you. Our auspicious World Indigenous Tribal Day. I self, Prince Rao, from Jasarna Ludkuria, Deputy Gumla. I study in class 3A.
Chief guest, MLA Bisunpur, and my dear brother and sister, all of you, good afternoon. Myself, Bimla Khirwar, I read in class 4 from school Jai Sarna Ludkuria, Dwaki, Ghagra, Gumla. I want to share a bit about the history of indigenous people in India with a special focus on Jharkhand. India is home to many indigenous communities known as Adivasi who have lived here for thousands of years. Their rich history and diverse culture tradition greatly to the country heritage. In India, indigenous people in India have a deep connection to the history and indigenous.
I am Poonam Uram, class 4, student of Jai Sarna Ludkuria, Chatakpur. It is with immense pleasure and excitement we came together of celebrated the World Tribal Day. I am glad and feeling so proud to be part of this historic day. Tribals are group of people who share a common language, culture.
Chief guest, all teachers, students and all the noble sitting on the stage. Good afternoon. Jai Johar. My name is Ankita Khadia. I read Jai Sanalur Odidoli Chapatoli Gumla in class 4. I am going to give a speech about the travel of worlds, India and Jharkhand. Since ancient time, indigenous communities have been living in forest, mountain and caves according to their convents and
Our chief guest, Sri Chamra Linda sir and Lalita Linda madam, respected dignitaries, parents, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Dharampal Uram. I am studying 4th standard in Jai Sarna Ludkuria Bitpi Bandra School. Today I am here to give speech on history of tribes in Jharkhand, India and the world. We belong to Kudum tribes. We are practically local and practically national, but divided into many clans. Clans names are taken from plants, animals and objects. Thank you.
पुतबीरी भाई अकेले हो तेरा गुजा बरा रे कर्म तारा काल गुजा बरा रे कर्म तारा काल पुतबीरी भाई अकेले हो तेरा गुजा बरा रे कर्म तारा काल गुजा बरा रे कर्म तारा काल
Kamlu. I came from Chesanalu, Rodedoli, Chapatoli. I read in class 1. I deliver in speech on topic of why we are celebrating World Tribal Day. The World Tribal Day is celebrating on 9 August every year to support the world such as environmental conservation. Thank you. Happy nice day. Myself Shivani from class 1 from Sesana Lorkudia Jati Khadra Gumla. Very infinite good morning all of you. Respected teacher, minister, sir, madam, guests, and my dear brother and sister. Today we celebrated World Indigenous Day. Parents, teachers, and my dear friend, my name is Sachin Rao, and I am studying in first standard in Jesarna Lurkudia, Hippi Bhandra. I am here to give speech on Adivasi Diwas.
अगर आप चैनल में नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले, ऑल बेल बटन को प्रेस करें ताकि हमारे वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और कमेंट के माध्यम से हमें सुझाव भी दे। धन्यवाद।